What is up, you guys? My name is Ian and I'm back with another video. Now, this video that is coming out today, I actually made about a year ago to help out a friend who was making a project for her senior year and contacted me. He was like, yo, make this video. And so at the time I was at Old Dominion University and I was also living in Norfolk, Virginia. And as you can see by this video, that is no longer true. So I decided to release this video, or re-release, because I think it's on their YouTube channel, but I made it anyways about a year ago, and I decided, you know, I kind of like it, so I'll add some stuff in and I will republish it. So that is what I'm going to do. So enjoy.
These